Hello! So today we're on day 5, and this is the first of the third islands in the Canary Islands. So we were going to go to 3 different islands you can see down on the bottom left, and for the first day we have landed at Tenerife. And this is a beautiful island. It is very green, and there's a famous observatory here and a volcano, but since we had extremely long schedules on the next 2 islands, we decided to take it quite easy and just walk around the town center. As it turns out, the town center was pretty much shut down from the hours of 2 to 5 for siesta. So we took the shuttle bus into town, did a bit of walking around town, but we really didn't go into much. We just walked around and admired the architecture and so on, and then we went back onto the ship. So we got to see the tea hour on the ship with the music, and my sister and I did some laundry because we were trying to do things in small batches when we had time. And then we had dinner at the main restaurant again because we weren't looking for anything fancy or time intensive tonight. We just wanted to have a very quiet, restful day so that we could be ready for the next 2 days, which were going to be fairly intensive for us. So here are the pictures involved for today. Again, just walking around the main city area and then coming back on board and having the tea and the quiet dinner. And there are 2 videos involved here that are linked to separately. One of just the washing machine area, because I found it very soothing, and one other one. So let me know if you have any questions.